Discussions about mental health, they can be difficult. Oftentimes, stigmas interrupt the constructive dialogue about mental wellness.
It's why one Central Ohio Police Department, is bringing the conversation to the forefront of their community. NBC4's Matthew Herchik tells us how mental health and cultural differences are changing how officers police in Dublin.
We have a very diverse community here in Dublin, and mental health affects all of us, but also affects all of us differently.
Greg Lattanzi has been with the Dublin Police Department for 17 years. In many different capacities, he's seen policing evolve during his nearly 2 decades in uniform.
And mental health and response to mental health is an increasing challenge that law enforcement faces, but that we take very seriously in our service to the community.
And in Dublin, Lattanzi says they're hoping to turn those challenges into opportunities to educate and connect.
The police department in general has to take a different look at these types of calls and focus on de-escalation and communication with individuals that are struggling with mental health.
Challenged to think outside the box, police in Dublin are partnering with the behavioral health group Sentaro to host a town hall on Thursday that discusses mental health and cultural differences and how they can intersect with policing.
There's over 100 different languages spoken at our Dublin City schools, and some of those cultures don't necessarily address mental health the same way.
So they're addressing it as a community. More than a dozen mental health vendors and providers will be on hand. Lattanzi says it's an opportunity to present different resources available both in Dublin and in Central Ohio.
Mental health and mental health crisis and concerns are everywhere. It doesn't matter where you're at, where you're from, or what your background is.
And while it's a chance to bring the community in touch with policing practices in 2022, Lattanzi says it's about building a healthy, resilient community.
There is no way that we can police in a community without both their support as well as regular interaction with members of our community.